Hello WRCC fans, we've got another video for you today. Another new arrival at Yorkshire Minor Centre. This time it is in 1969 Peat Brown Morris Minor 2-door. It's an older restoration, still in excellent condition, carried out by another major Morris Minor specialist that's no longer with us anymore, so I'm sure you can all guess who that is. So excellent condition, lovely paintwork, lovely colour. Peat Brown rose top in saloons look great, and travellers actually. It's one of my favourite colours. So we'll go around her again. So no bubbling, so and to speak of, no real imperfections. Obviously it's not perfect as you can see, but it's nice, certainly attention grabbing. It's a lovely colour, good underneath. Obviously, as I said, it's an older restoration, so still in good order. Runs and drives really well. 1969, it's got 8 previous keepers on it. We purchased it from an older gentleman that's retiring from the classic car scene. So Peat Brown, Cherokee Red interior, as you can see. Interior's in lovely order. These are patched there. Somebody put a comment on one of our videos last week that I gloss over stuff and don't show imperfections, and I am biased when it comes to advertising cars and don't tell the truth or don't give an honest opinion. So therefore, there you go. It's the original lining. There's a mark there and there's a patch there, but it's original and it's not in bad order. The interior is P-worded, which, you know, I don't like using that, but it's aged. Shows sign of wear on it, but I wouldn't change a thing about it because it's this car and it's been with it since it was new. So lovely Cherokee Red interior. It's not perfect, as we never describe anything as perfect, and I can't be described as being a liar. So there you go. Showing 58,425 miles. Obviously we don't know whether that's the right mileage or not. It could have been round the clock and had 5 engines in that time. Dash is nice and clean. You've got the leather sun cover on the steering wheel, which adds to a little bit of comfort. Bakelite wheels in good order. Everything's nice and clean. The parcel shelf, the carpets are all nice as well. So nothing negative to report. As I say, runs and drives really well. Let's get some gas. Take it off choke. So it ticks over nicely. Nice and clean inside. All the rubbers and the chrome and everything's on it's really nice. There you go. Open the bonnet. Under the bonnet it's nice and clean and tidy as well. Got alternator and servo fitted. Nothing negative to report on the bonnet either, so obviously it's not 100% perfect, but it's got no rust, rot or anywhere under here. No, nothing negative to report, so nice and clean and tidy car all ways round. If you would like to know any further details, give us a call on 01422 881221. Ask for Dan in sales, that's me. Email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk. WhatsApp us, that's the new one, on 07830291253, or bob in and see us at the Yorkshire Minor Centre, HX6 3LD, Unit 1, Lockhill Mills. We're more than happy to help. You can go for a test drive, you can have a good look round it. We've got loads of stock coming in all the time. So bob in and have a look. Cheers guys.